Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can remove a file or document from your storage in the Mega app. So let us guide you through this. Start by navigating to your cloud drive inside the Mega app, for example through the web version or the desktop app. And then go through your files here, click into these three dots and select Move to Rubbish Bin. Confirm by clicking into Move here. And that is going to make the given file unavailable to any users who have been given access to the given file or document, for example, through a shared link. But moving it to the rubbish bin doesn't mean that the file has been deleted permanently and for good. If you'd like to do that, you will need to navigate to the rubbish bin folder here on the left hand side and either click into empty bin here at the top to empty it entirely and to remove all files at once, or you navigate to this checkbox in the top left corner, select this button to delete the given file permanently, or you may restore it by clicking into this button to move it back to your cloud drive. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.